Hello, my name is Amelia Lillie, and my app and web presentation is on the website Padlet and the app IFTTT. Alright, so a little bit about myself. I am a special ed major and I have a focus in elementary education. I'm from Louisville, Kentucky, and that is where I hope to teach as well. Alright, so Padlet is a website. It's like a virtual bulletin board, and so you can post like a question, and then students will then post their response, and they can post in many different ways. They could upload a photo, or they could upload audio of them talking about the whatever question. There's a lot of different like wallpapers you can choose. You can choose like a picture or a solid color or anything. You can make it fun, anything like that. It is a really good tool for allowing you to watch how your students communicate with each other and how their understanding of a specific topic kind of thing. Here's just a picture of kind of like what you're gonna see when you first sign up for Padlet. There's two options for your students. They can either sign up and create an account, or they can just go in as like a guest. The nice thing about if they create an account is you know who is making the comments and stuff. Here's again, this is kind of what it would look like once kids have started posting to it. You can see there's pictures, and some just have written stuff. So I mean, it's very versatile. It's good for just kind of letting kids do what they want. They can comment on each other's posts. They can rate it. If you don't like the feature about rating it kind of thing, they can rate each other's stuff, then you can just turn that off. So I mean, this is a very good app, website. It's good, but for my specific fields, I don't know how really useful it would be in a way. I'm not saying it wouldn't be, but it might just be something that's better for a bigger class, or that kind of thing. But it might be good with everything being virtual and whatnot right now. All right, so IFTT is an app that you can find in the App Store, I believe on both Google and the Apple App Store. But it is an app that brings together other apps. So you can set specific applets, which will say a parent emailed you, and instead you don't check your emails a lot, so you need something that you still get it, and you can set it so it will send the email as a text to you kind of thing, which I mean is definitely very useful if you're not somebody who checks your email a lot. It's just a good app for kind of making your life easier. It's just one of these things that it uses other apps and creates shortcuts in a way. And as teachers, we're always on the go and we're always busy, so it's kind of something nice to kind of eliminate one less thing in our day. So here's the link if you were interested in it kind of thing. Here's just kind of what it looks like in the App Store, and kind of one example of the things you can do. I've heard a lot of people use it for weather and whatnot, which is kind of nice. This is something that I don't really know students using as much, but more about teachers using it. Kind of like how I said before, it's really good for teachers to kind of create shortcuts for their day, the whole email to text, or setting up notifications and whatnot. And you can have it so it sends, say, like you were doing a exit slip, it would, as long as all the students use like a specific hashtag, it would send their like exit slip to a specific like folder, say in Dropbox or Google Drive, one of those. It's just something, again, easier, and especially with everything online, this would really save you as a teacher a lot of time. And here is the link to both websites, or app and website. So yeah, I hope that was informational